Pi. Just 2 letters, but an infinite mystery. It's more than just 3.14159. It's a never-ending, non-repeating decimal that goes on forever, like a cosmic secret whispered through time. But the magic of pi is much more than its digits. Let's explore the incredible places where pi shows up, places you might never expect. First, pi is the essence of circles. Any circle, from the smallest droplet of water to the grandest rings of Saturn, has the same ratio of its circumference to its diameter, pi. It's the ultimate key to understanding circles, but it's also a bridge that connects circles to the rest of the universe. But why does this ratio pop up in so many unexpected places? It's almost as if the universe has a fondness for circles and patterns that cannot be contained. Let's delve into physics. Pi plays a pivotal role in understanding the fabric of our universe. In Einstein's equations of general relativity, pi appears when we calculate how gravity bends spacetime. It's as if pi is there to help weave the very threads of our cosmic reality. Every time we discuss the curve of space, the structure of black holes, or the fate of our universe, pi is silently woven into the math, holding everything together. It's the mathematical glue for the cosmos. Pi's significance also extends to quantum mechanics, the field that explores the smallest building blocks of the universe. In Schrödinger's wave equation, which describes how quantum states evolve, pi is part of the mathematics that defines the probabilities and behaviors of particles. Pi is inescapable in understanding the quantum world, from electron orbits to the entanglement that Einstein famously called spooky action at a distance. Pi, once again, provides the mathematical structure that helps us make sense of the unseen. But pi's reach doesn't end with cosmic phenomena. It appears in the oddest places, even in statistics and probability. In statistics, pi is found in the bell curve, or the normal distribution, a fundamental concept that explains how traits are distributed across populations. Pi plays an essential role in understanding the odds, randomness, and the spread of data. The fact that this irrational number appears in equations that describe our messy, everyday reality speaks to something deeper about nature itself, an elegant order hiding within apparent chaos. Pi can also be found in calculus and geometry, particularly in the calculation of areas and volumes involving circular or spherical shapes. When we integrate to find areas under curves or volumes of rotation, pi often appears as a critical component. It's as if pi acts as a bridge that lets us transition between linear and rotational dimensions, connecting lines to curves and planes to volumes. Here's a fun one. Pi can even be found in nature, encoded in life's most fundamental patterns. Consider sunflowers, pine cones, and the spiral shells of sea creatures. The mathematics of these spirals often involves pi, contributing to the efficient packing and growth patterns of these structures. Nature, it seems, loves pi. Even DNA, the molecule that carries the instructions for all living beings, has a double helix structure that is intimately tied to pi. Have you ever looked at a river winding its way through the landscape? Surprisingly, the winding path of a river, when measured against the direct distance from its source to its mouth, often approaches pi. This seemingly chaotic meandering actually obeys an underlying geometric logic, a quiet nod to the influence of pi in the shaping of our natural world. The role of pi in biology doesn't stop there. Pi appears in the study of population dynamics, describing patterns of growth and oscillation. In predator-prey relationships, where populations of different species rise and fall over time, pi helps model these cycles, providing insights into the balance of ecosystems. It's remarkable to think that pi, a number born from geometry, is so deeply embedded in the rhythms of life. If you're a music lover, pi is hidden in the melodies that move us. Pi helps describe the frequencies of sound waves, the mathematics of harmony, and the vibrations of musical instruments. Whether it's the haunting beauty of a violin or the resonant hum of a bell, pi is present in the vibrations that create music. It's as if this number is an invisible conductor, orchestrating the sounds that resonate with the human soul. Even the spacing of frets on a guitar and the resonance of wind instruments rely on the principles involving pi, showing how this number shapes the very music we hear. The wonders of pi stretch further into technology and engineering. Engineers use pi when calculating areas, volumes, and in designing anything involving rotation, from gears to satellites. And in computing, pi is crucial in algorithms and simulations that model our world, including data encryption, which keeps our sensitive information safe. Without pi, the technology that forms the backbone of our digital lives wouldn't be as secure or advanced. In architecture, pi has also played a subtle but essential role. Ancient and modern structures alike, from the pyramids of Egypt to domes and arches, involve pi in their design. The use of circular shapes and rotational symmetry in architecture requires precise calculations, and pi is always at the heart of those equations. The beauty and stability of such structures are yet another testament to pi's influence. Even in the realm of art and philosophy, pi has left its mark. Artists have long been fascinated by the idea of infinity, and pi, with its endless digits, embodies this concept beautifully. Mathematicians and philosophers ponder pi not just for its practical uses, but also for what it represents, the infinite complexity hidden in the simplest of forms. It's a testament to the idea that even the most ordinary things can hold extraordinary secrets. The magic of pi lies in its infinite nature. It never ends, it never repeats, yet it keeps showing up in places we least expect. Why? Mathematicians and scientists still aren't sure. It's almost as if pi holds secrets that we're only beginning to uncover. Like a mysterious melody, its notes echo through the universe, guiding us towards a deeper understanding. What's certain, though, is that pi is much more than just a mathematical curiosity. It's a key that helps us unlock the mysteries of the universe, from the smallest atom to the vast reaches of space. And maybe, just maybe, pi is a reminder that some things are meant to remain infinite, forever keeping us curious, forever pushing us to explore, calculate, and wonder. Pi, a simple symbol, yet one that reveals the profound truth: the universe is filled with patterns, connections, and mysteries. And some of those mysteries are simply too beautiful to solve. They're there to inspire us, forever. If you enjoyed exploring the mysteries of pi with me today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fascinating journeys into the wonders of math, science, and the universe. There's so much more to discover, and I'd love for you to join me on this adventure. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.